Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have Talos Growth, which is an best of the automated LinkedIn growth platform. And before we dive in, there is a link in the description that you can use to get exclusive benefits and extended free trial on Talos Growth. So make sure to give it a try, as that is going to be providing you a lot of value. We are on currently dashboard of Talos Growth, and in here you can see the keywords, and we have country filter. So if you want to skyrocket your LinkedIn game to grasp more opportunities, this is the platform for you, because you can incorporate your LinkedIn profile in here. Let me try to enter that and save settings if it is going to be taking that. Now of course, once you provide your LinkedIn profile in here, it is going to be analyzing it and telling you what keywords you need to incorporate, what posts, and all the analytics are going to be displayed in this analytics section. On the left side of your screen, you can see various different tools, like for example your content tools. We have generate post, generate carousel, text formatter, trending hashtags, and best post timings. In the settings, you can simply customize your search settings and account settings. So if you want to become an affiliate, we have that feature as well in here. So yeah, all in all, this is a gold mine for LinkedIn users. Make sure to give it a try and let us know in the comments below what you think. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to head over to the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and extended free trails. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.